You may be wondering, how long does a criminal case take in Fort Bend County? And the answer varies greatly. It depends on you and your defense attorney, as well as how long it takes the state to file that charge, if they're going to file at all. In general, most criminal cases take in between a year and 2 years to wrap up. However, Fort Bend County, like many jurisdictions, has a backlog of cases in their intake division. This means it is taking them longer than usual to indict or file criminal cases. You may hire your attorney, as suggested, as early as possible so that they can investigate and start advocating on your behalf from the time that you've been arrested. There could be a long wait until you're actually in court with a charging instrument or indictment that tells you exactly what you are being charged of by the state of Texas. This is complicated. Many individuals want to move on with their life, whether it's a plea deal or a jury trial, but you can't do that without being formally charged by the DA's office. In my experience, both as a prosecutor in Fort Bend County and as a criminal defense attorney, many of the adult cases in Fort Bend County take about a year or two, if they're not set for a jury trial, to get through that process. Your first docket is always going to be that first appearance, that arraignment. You're going to move on to several dockets that involve exchanging discovery. Discovery exchange means the state of Texas is providing your criminal defense attorney the evidence against you, and they're supposed to provide everything. Sometimes when this evidence consists of cell phone data or numerous body-worn cameras, including dash camera footage and in-car patrol video footage, it just takes a long time to review it all and do our due diligence. That takes several settings, and after we've moved on from reviewing all the evidence, an offer is going to come from the state. It's going to be our conversation, your defense attorney and yourself, who considers that offer and determines, do we need to push this forward? Can we meet somewhere in the middle, or are we going to accept that offer as is? Sometimes there's issues in the case that require us filing motions, like motions to suppress. If we believe that the cops did something wrong, we're going to try to suppress that evidence so that you can get the legal advantage. That legal advantage often results in a dismissal. If you're somebody who is going through the criminal justice system in Fort Bend County, it's imperative that you get an attorney involved as early as possible. There's certain things we can do, looking at the evidence, using our relationships with the prosecutors. And in general, we want to make sure that we understand your case as early as possible so we can get you through the system favorably and successfully as soon as possible. If that's you, call Varghese Summersett at 281-805-2220. We're here to fight for you. We're here to help you.